4th generation automatic school bell system combo pack. Here we provide you an horn speaker and amplifier. This is our 4th generation master unit. Now let us demonstrate you some different types of bell sounds and also some type of prayers. This is the announcement sound.
This is period number 1.
Now we will show gong bell sound, siren sound and traditional sound. This is long traditional sound and traditional sound with announcement.
This is period number 2.
This is long traditional sound with announcement and then some prayers.
Good morning everyone, it's your assembly time. Please walk down to the assembly area.
For any further query or more information you can contact us.